This is a more math-intensive version of half-life equation. We're given an initial amount of a radioactive sample and a final amount of the radioactive sample. The initial amount is A0. The amount of the radioactive sample at time is equal to 0. A of t is the amount after some amount t of time has elapsed. We're going to use this equation to calculate for the half-life. But in order to use this equation, we're going to need a value of k, which is something called the rate constant, something that's very important in kinetics. To calculate the rate constant, we're going to use this equation here. All right, I've just rocketed through to the final solution here. We've solved this initial equation for k, substituted in our values, crunched through the numbers to get our value for k. Now that we know k, our rate constant, we substitute it in to this initial equation and get our final answer.